Everyone, thank you very much for this opportunity. I see old and familiar faces, not just old because of age, but because of relationship during over the time. So, thank you. Maraming salamat. We were given a chance. We're given this opportunity to serve again. And kami lumalahok upang makatulong doon sa tingin namin na mga bagay na may mga pangangailangan sa ating bansa. Siguro, if my colleagues will allow me, medyo banggitin ko na muna at baka susunod na tatanong dyan mamaya is, why are you running again? No? So, there are many reasons and many factors. Number one,